Let's create a Gmail account. Click on start. Ch Search for Chrome, CHR. Then you will see the best match, Google Chrome. Click here. Then in this address bar, this is the address bar. Let's see. This is the address bar. In this address bar, type gmail gmail.com gmail.com and hit enter. What you see here is the first welcome page by Gmail. So on this page at the right side you have create an account. So click on that. So here you have to type first name. Type the first name. My first name is Praveen, so I will type it. Last name is Phule and username. Username is just like a name that you want to use for your account. So that name cannot include space. It can include letters, numbers, and dots, but it cannot include space. So type the name small letter, only small letters. Pravinphule. It can be anything. It can be a combination of numbers, dots, anything. So I have typed it like this, pravinphule@gmail.com. Then click here for the password. What I see is many people struggle for the password. So creating the best password is not that big job. So what you have to do, uh, just type a number and give a symbol and give a number. So what you have to do, just type something, any word, and then include one symbol and one number, something like that. So what I will say is type your name. For example, this should not be your password. You can define your own password. So here Praveen at the rate 1987. So what I have done, Praveen at the rate 1987. So Praveen Pravin at the rate 1987. So 1987 is my year of birth, so I have taken that. So it is very easy to remember your year of birth and your name, so you will not forget it. So what I have done is first letter is capital, my first letter P is capital, other letters are small, and at the rate is a symbol. So I have made a mix of letters, symbols, and numbers. Also my letters are a combination of capital and small letters. First letter is capital, other letters are small. So I have made a good password. So next, sign in. If if you have if you already have the account, but if you don't have account, click on next. We are creating the account. This is for the first time. You're creating the account. That means you have to click on next. Click here, but the name is already taken. Username is taken. So many people struggle for this also. Username can be anything. Remember, username can be anything. It may be any word other than your name also, but you should remember it as, because you will have to tell your Gmail account ID to others so that they can send emails to your account. So you can include a number like 1987 like that and click on next. But include your father's name, Praveen Phule. In between, I will include my father's name, Prabhakar, Praveen Prabhakar Phule. So Praveen Prabhakar Phule at the gmail.com. So I will click on next. Let's see whether it works or not. Yes, it has worked. We are on the next screen. Here you can see Praveen Prabhakar Phule at the gmail.com. So enter your phone number. My phone number is this. My phone number is this. Or you can type in 77, or I will type my other number 9923801648 and month. So date of birth, my date of birth is 13 May 13 and year is 1986. So 1986. Gender male. So what was my password? My password was 87. So don't make a mistake. Please remember your passwords and your username. In previous screen we have entered the username. This username is here, Praveen Prabhakar Phule at the gmail.com. This is the username. The username is this, Praveen Prabhakar Phule. At the rate is a separator between your username and domain name. Domain name is gmail.com. This gmail.com is the domain name. At the rate symbol is a separator, and this is the username, Praveen Prabhakar Phule. This is my username for Gmail account, and here is my date of birth and gender male, female, male, and click on next. I have entered the password as 1987. That does not mean my year of birth is 1987, but I was telling you to make a combination about password. I was not telling my date of birth. My date of birth is this 13th May 1986. So click on next. Verify your phone number. So click on this send button. So it is saying that to make sure this number is yours, Google will send you a text message with 6-digit verification code. Standard rates apply. So let's see. In my mobile, I have the message SMS with a 6-digit verification code. So this is a 6-digit verification code 994126. 994126, and click on verify. So get more from your number. So if you want to get more details or services information about many services, receive video calls and messages, make Google services including ads and more relevant to you, so you can click on yes, I mean, otherwise you can just skip that. So these are the privacy terms and conditions. So you can read all the conditions, but don't worry, you have to accept it. You have no choice, because if you do not agree, you cannot use the Gmail account. You have to agree with this. So click on I agree. Click on next. So choose the default style. Okay, so this is the default view of your Gmail account. Let me zoom out. So this is the default view for your Gmail account. So you can continue with this default view. So you're done. Your Gmail account has been created.